Hey everybody, so I just got home from catching some fish and it is time to butcher it. I know what you're thinking, Michael, it's not called butcher, it's called fillet. Well, I'm going to fillet it and I'm probably going to butcher doing it. So that's what we are going to do. All right.
Can I give that to the chickens?
Female, oh, they do love these actually.
Yeah, can I give them?
Yeah, give them the chickens.
Yeah.
Behind the fin, straight down. Right on top of the spine. Caviar.
What?
We feed our chickens caviar.
So they're really fancy.
They're fancy chickens.
Wait.
Last, another female. Boy. Seven fish. That's what it yields. You don't get a whole lot, especially from whites, unless you're landing huge white bass. Another little trick is this trash. If you have an outside freezer or inside freezer, it's really better if you have an outside freezer. And it's not trash day for another week. Take it, wrap it up, double bag it, throw it in your freezer until trash day. And that kind of helps with the smell. You leave that out, especially even though it is into February, it was like 81, 82 degrees a day. That's gonna stink really fast. Wrap it up, throw it in your freezer, and then the day before, just throw it in a trash can and it won't smell. Your neighbors won't hate you. Yeah, that's about it. So white bass, I like to fry it. I feel like it's a underrated fish. I think a lot of people think it's a trash fish. I think it tastes great. I love it. But anyways, that's it. Okay. Very good.